Welcome back to ABC 7 at noon. This week is Fall Prevention Awareness Week. Johns Hopkins University research has found that people suffering from hearing loss could be more likely to fall. Dr. Haley Owen, an audiologist from Livingston Hearing Aid Center, is here to explain that connection, plus what you can do to help. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me a little bit why people with untreated hearing loss are more at risk for falling.
Well, so obviously people are more likely to fall as they get older. So about 1 in 4 people over the age of 65 is going to fall every year. These people are less aware of their environment. They may not be able to hear sound around them, such as a pet or a person that's approaching, which makes tripping over a cat or a dog a pretty common reason that people fall. These people are also processing more because they're so focused on trying to hear others that it can be difficult to maintain other functions like balance.
And when someone is starting to notice that they might be seeing some hearing loss taking place, what should they do?
I mean, the best thing is to get your hearing tested. You know, the sooner you can uncover hearing loss, the sooner you can treat it. The results are just better in the long run, the sooner we can treat that hearing loss.
What does that treatment look like for someone?
For most people, it's going to be with hearing aids.
Got it.
You know, hearing aids have come a long way. They're much more advanced. Some of these hearing aids even have fall detection, in the hearing aid with alert capabilities. So they can detect when a wearer falls and then alert loved ones by sending a GPS location to where they're located, where they have fallen.
Wow, Dr. Owen, that's incredible that we can do that now with the technology we have. Seeing that this is Fall Prevention Awareness Week, any other fall prevention tips that we should all be aware of?
Sure. So bathrooms are a pretty common place for falls. So just, make sure you keep the floor dry. You can install handrails and use non-slip mats. Also, exercise is super important. So that's going to help to keep your muscles in the best shape so that if you do, start to fall, you can, recover that a little bit easier. Make sure to get your vision and your hearing tested regularly. Usually that's going to be annually. You can even we offer free hearing screenings here at Livingston. So if you do feel like you're starting to notice a difference in your hearing, you can come in and we can get that tested. Also, be cognizant of steps and changes in the floor. You can mark these areas with tape or paint just so that you can be more aware of where the changes are.
Dr. Owen, these are all great tips. Thank you so much for joining us and for bringing this important information.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Stay with us. We'll be right back.